Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to replace a door lock actuator, driver side front door lock actuator on a 2015 Acura MDX. So, well, recently there's a lot of time that the door lock actuator doesn't work and the key cylinder got destroyed. The bad guy tried to break it in and break the door cylinder, so it's causing the alarm to stay on and cause the battery to drain and kill the battery. So today I want to show you how to replace this door lock cylinder and door lock actuator. Okay, let's get started. So there's first of all, I'm gonna remove the door panel, and there's a 2 screw on the top here. The 2 screw on the top here, I removed those already. And then there's another one under the armrest, so another one right here. So just remove that. So there are 3 screws total, and then you pop it out from the bottom of the door panel. Just pull the door panel out, like just put your hand under it like this and then pull it out. Same thing, then you pull it out, then the door panel pop out, then you remove it. So you just pop it out and pull it up, like slide it up and pull it out. Then back here is the cable for the door latch. Like this door latch right here, just pop it out from the door. Then the 2 connectors from here, just disconnect those also. So here you go, you have your door panel removed. And then this is the cable for the door latch, and the door latch is like behind this right here. Now we're gonna next we remove the 3 T30 torx screw. Remove those 3, and then the 10mm down here, and there's a electrical connector right here, making sure that you disconnect that also. And then behind it, you see, you look inside the door panel, you see this rod right here. This connect to this right here, like that. So if you look in there, you see the rod is like this rod right here. That's for the door outer handle latch. So you need to pop that up. There's a plastic clip up here. You pull it back like that, and then you pull this rod out like that. Then you take these 3 T30 and the 10mm out. Then you can take the door latch out. So 3 T30 either on the bottom here. It's for the windows glass channel. Then when you got that, you just reach your hand inside where the door latch is, and then just pull it out and slide it to the lower side, the bottom of the door, and then open it like that. See the opener there? That's where the door latch plays in. Then see this run channel right here is fall down, so you can slide it back up, then line it up with the top part. See the slot up there? Let's line up with that. You just slide it back in. If it's fall out, you just slide it back in like that. Alright, now we're gonna transfer stuff from the old actuator to the new one, and then we put it back in. So, alright, so we got the new door latch actuator. We just need to transfer the cable and the rod over from the old one to the new one. So just pop it out, like the cable out, and then transfer it one by one over to the new one. Then this one right here, you just need to pop the cover up, and then pull the cable out, and then put in a new one, and lock the cover back on, flip it around, then transfer this rod over. Pretty straightforward. Let's put it back on. Voila. Alright, it's good. We got the new latch ready, so let's pop it back into the door. Okay, just pretty much put it in the reverse way of removal. Later, bye, you too. And when you put the latch in, you just slide it from the bottom up. Pull from the bottom and slide it from the bottom up. Like that, and slide it up. Then line it up with all the connector hole and the bowl hole back here. Then put your T30 in. Then a 10mm for the run channel. Tie them down. Making sure that you install this rod back into the clips back there. Pull the plastic clip down to lock it. Test it. Looking good. Then before you put everything back, you test it by using a flathead screwdriver, lock the latch, and then you pull on the lever here and making sure that open. Okay, it's open, so it's working. That's good. Then put the door panel back and making sure plug on the connector back on. Then there's this foam cover right here, making sure that you put it back also. I forgot to mention it earlier when I removed it. So you remove this one to get access to the door latch actuator. Then we put this, making sure you connect this connector back on. Then this connector for the door latch. And then the latch. Then when everything lined up, just tap it so that all the plastic clips lock in place. Then put all the Phillip back in, the 3 Phillip that we removed. And then the cover. That's it. That's how you replace the door latch on the 2015 Acura MDX. Thumbs up.